Good morning, students. Let us start our new lesson number 9, HCF and LCM. Now, what is the meaning of HCF? HCF means highest common factor, and LCM means lowest common multiple. So, HCF and LCM, how to find the HCF and LCM? Before that, let us revise some basic things. Here, I have solved one division, 36 divided by 4. So, 4 9s are 36 and 36 minus 36, 0. So, here you will tell me now, means you have to remember what is this. What is this? This is called dividend. This is called dividend. And this number with what we are dividing is called divisor. Is called divisor. And this is called remainder. This is remainder. And this one is called quotient. This is called quotient. So, see, these terms are very important here. So, you have to remember this all the terms. This the divisor, sorry, this is the dividend. This is the dividend. This 4 is known as divisor. This last one is the remainder. And then this one is the quotient. Okay. So, you have to write this like this way, this division in your notebook. One more I will take division 65. This division first you will write in notebook. Okay. Now, next one I am giving 65 divided by 9. So, divide it. 9 7s are 63. So, 65 minus 63 is 2. So, again same terms you have to write for this division also. So, this 7 is known as quotient, 65 is dividend, 9 is divisor, and this 2 is remainder. Now, first division was 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4. 4 9s are 36. Okay. Now, here remainder was 0. Remainder was 0. And here remainder came 2. Okay. Now, you have to just observe the remainders. See, if when the remainder comes 0, that means that number is divisible with such a number. Means what? Here in other language I can say that when we divide 36 by 4, the remainder is 0. Therefore, 4 is a factor. 4 is a factor of 4 is a factor of 36. 4 is a factor of 36. This is first division our, and this is second. Okay. Or in other language, in other way, I can say that 36 is a multiple. 36 is a multiple of 4. Okay. We see 34 is a factor of 36. Means what? In the table of 4, 36 comes. Okay. Or the factor of 36 is 4. Or 36 is a multiple of 4, means in the table of 4, 36 is there. Now, in this case, what happens? Remainder is not 0. When we divide 65 by 9, the remainder is not 0. Therefore, I can say that 9 is not a factor. 9 is not a factor of what? 65. This 9 is not factor of 65. Why? Because remainder is not 0. Or I can say that 65 is not a multiple of 65 is not a multiple of 9. A multiple of 9. Okay. So in this way, you have to write both this division in your notebook. First I told you, for this division also, first this division will come. For this division also, each term you have to write like this: quotient, dividend, remainder and divisor. You have to mention the name as earlier I mentioned first. And down to that you write this: 4 is a factor of 36 or 36 is a multiple of 4. Then this in for the second division also, 65 divided by 9, you have to solve this division, mention these terms and write here 9 is not a factor of 65 and 65 is not a multiple of 9. Okay. So from these two things, what I want to tell you is that if you want to find the factors, when we want to find the factors of any number, that time you have to see whether that number is divisible by that number, by such a number or not. So see here. So if I want to find the factors of 36 now, what I have to do? Factors of 36. Now I have taught you the this divisibility test of 2, 3, 5, then 2, 3, 4, then 5, again 9 and 10. So by using that test, you have to find whether this 36 is divisible by that number or not. Okay. And one more thing you have to find, remember that when we write the factors, always don't forget to start with 1. Means 1 is the factor of all the number, any number. Whenever you will take any number and the question is write the factors, first starting you will write 1. Then next after 1 which number comes? 2. So you know the test of 2. If the unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is there, that number is divisible by 2. So here 6 is there, so this number will be divisible by 2. Then test of 3. Add of this or do the sum of this digit. 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 comes in the table of 3, that means it is divisible by 3. The test of 4 is last 2 digits you have to see, units and tens. And with that 2 digits, if that number is divisible by 4, then that number is also divisible by 4. Here this is only 2 digit number. So 4 9s are 36. In the table of 4, 36 comes. So this is also 4 also will be the factor of 36. Then see, I did not teach you the table, test of 5 we taught. So what is the test of 5? If the 0 or 5 is there in the unit place, then that number is divisible by 5. So here 6 is there, so this number will not be divisible by 5. Then 6, you have to go in sequence now students. Now you will say 6 test is not there, no. So you have to divide it by properly, means say the table of 6. Is there 36 in the table of 6? Yes. So this number is also factor of 36, 6. Then 9. 9 test you know, do the addition, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 is there in the table of 9, so 9. You have to check 7 also, okay. In the table of 7, 8, 36 is not there. So I did not write there, okay. Then after 9, you have to say 10, 0 is not there, 11, no, 12, 12 is a 36, so 12 also comes. Then after that 13, 14, in the table of 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 36 is not there. Then 18, in the table of 18, 36 comes, 18 twos are 36. And at the last, that number itself comes, 36. Okay, after 18, it is not there in any table, 36. So I have written directly 36. So you have to find each and every factor students by saying the tables or by using the divisibility test. Okay, we have learned only hardly 6 tests. By using that test, for that particular number you can use the test, but for other numbers you must learn the tables. So if your tables are learned, then only you can find the factors. Otherwise, if your tables are not learned, you cannot tell whether this number is there in that particular table or not. Okay. So these all are the factors of 36. Then factors of 48, let us find factors of 48. Factors of 48. Okay. Now for 48, tell me, first factor I have to write first 1 always. Don't forget to write 1. Then 2 comes, yes. 3, 8 plus 4, 12. So 3 also will be there. Then 4, yes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 also comes. Then 6, 5 will not come. 6 8s are 48. Then also 8 6s are 48. Then 12 4s are 48. Then 16 3s are 48. 24 2s are 48. And that number itself comes 48. Isn't it? So you have to find such a factor in this way. You have to think in mind whether that particular number is there in the table or not. And if it is even number, means what? If it is divisible by 2, no, then it is called the even number. Okay. So now these both the numbers are even number. So in the even number cases, what happens? Do the half of that number, means 36 divided by 2, 18. So that number also will be the factor. 48 divided by 2, 24. So 24 also will be the factor of 48. And that number itself comes at the last. So among this list, if any number you will forget, then your marks will go. So you have to note down all the factors very clearly. So like this way, you have to write these factors in your notebook. And then after that, how to find the HCF, that I will teach.